Making money can be quite hard, but keeping and multiplying it seems harder. Harder than both is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. This is the year to take things one step forward. Whether you're looking at reviewing what you did wrong last year or you're simply looking for what to do differently in the new year, this video is for you. Below are a few examples of what should be done differently in the new year. But before we dive into that, you might want to take a pen and paper and list out reasons why you think you underperformed in your finances this year. Some reasons might be quick to notice and others may not. Some might be related to habits formed or acquired, while others may not. Regardless, this video is here to help. Here are 7 things that you should do differently with money in 2023. The first thing to do differently is proper planning. Planning for money should go beyond how to spend it wisely, what to spend it on, or how to cut costs. How about having a detailed plan on how to increase your earnings, how to be productive, how to negotiate your salary, or probably change your job? A recent research on the effect of change of jobs on salary increments revealed that the average salary increases when changing jobs is 14.8%. This increase by just switching companies or organizations can make a huge difference in your finances. How about negotiating your salary? If you are paid daily, for example, you can take a step forward to request being paid weekly or every 2 weeks. This helps you get paid in bulk and can be the difference between the work and spend cycle and having enough to save up. You can equally ask yourself, do I need to upskill to earn more? Or do I need to meet a quota at work to qualify for a bigger paycheck? These are valuable plans to make with a guaranteed impact on your finances. The second thing to do differently in the new year is be audacious. This year isn't the year to play little or live within your means. This is the year to level up. Upgrade your social status. Use the little you have to level up, but be strategic about it. In this context, living within your means connotes your immediate social class only. You're only found in the circles of the broke and financially struggling. How about leveling up? Have you considered saving up to buy one classy dress that's presentable and acceptable? You can wear it to luxurious places and events. Enter into an expensive restaurant, for example, then order a meal. This opens you up to new realities. It does something to your mind. It stretches your mind. Go to the dealership, for example, well dressed, ask for that car you love so much. Test drive it if possible. Go back home and draft your plan. You can revisit point 1 to see what to do. Up next is budgeting. It's important to incorporate budgeting into your money talks this year. There are several budgeting methods out there that can be customized to suit your goals. The most popular one is the 50-30-20 rule, which divides your expenditures into just 3 categories. These are 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. Next to that is find and block loopholes. There are so many loopholes and traps set to deter you from getting to financial freedom. These traps will be movie streaming subscriptions that you rarely use, gym membership, eating out every day, incessant online shopping, and so many more. Find your loopholes and block them, even if they cost you $2 per day, which might seem little and inconsequential, especially if they don't add to your overall well-being, push you towards your goal, or positively affect your productivity. Next, use it as a tool. Money is a tool. See it and use it that way. Invest in self-care routines, save up and take yourself on a spa date or movie night, reward yourself for each milestone you cross, buy gifts for your loved ones, pay for classes or tools that will impact your life. The rich look for means of spending money and saving their time or body, while the poor look for ways to save money by using up their time and body. Money is a tool that makes life easier, better, and faster. Next, invest in knowledge. The next thing to do differently with money this year is to use it as a tool for investment. Invest in books, get a financial planner if need be, join a mastermind group, subscribe to YouTube channels like this one for valuable and helpful content, and many more things to improve your mind and your finances. The quality of information at your disposal determines how far and how fast you will go. So, go for knowledge. If the man with the money won't go for the necessary knowledge, the one with the knowledge will soon enough attract all the money. Be the one with the knowledge. Lastly, impulsive investment. You shouldn't be caught investing in things you don't understand and businesses with no verified profit source. Guard your funds jealously, but take calculated risks. Money flows to those who understand how to keep it and multiply it. Impulsive investment is investment without research or doing your due diligence. This will lead to poverty and poor financial status because you are more likely to lose your money that way. I'm sure that one of these points resonates with you. Which one of them do you think will have more impact on your finances this year? Kindly share in the comments. Which other points or actions are you doing differently in the new year? Here's a bonus point to keep handy for the new year. Increasing your earnings will have more impact on your finances than cutting down your basics just to save a few dollars. Double down on how to increase your earnings. Don't forget that making more won't bring you a sudden change if you don't look out for bad money habits. We have a video that spoke extensively about bad money habits, how to identify and overcome them. It is linked up there. Do well to watch it. Thanks for watching and supporting us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you next time.